For over 2 decades, you've trusted Access for your overhead doors. And now, we're bringing you even more. More overhead products like roll-up screen systems, shade systems, and enclosures, crafted for comfort, style, and quality. Perfect for decks, patios, and countless applications, whether residential or commercial. With Access, the choice is yours. Choose from materials like screens, shades, or enclosures. Choose your frame color. Choose manual or motorized. And no matter what you choose, you'll always receive the trusted Access experience we've built our reputation on. We've taken our decades of expertise in overhead doors and automation and expanded it into these new systems. We are ready to transform your home or business and help you expand your comfort zones with solutions that look as good as they perform. Access, your source for overhead solutions.